In today's video, you will learn how to make 2 body scrubs at home. Have you ever heard that exfoliating is the best strategy for eliminating dead cells, blackheads on the face, facilitating the absorption of creams by the skin, and other benefits? Another benefit of exfoliating is that it lessens stretch marks and cellulitis. Usually, the area that bothers women with cellulitis the most is below the waist, buttocks and thighs, right? A simple, cheap way of exfoliating at home is using sugar as a body scrub to make your skin smoother and softer. The first recipe is for a sweet almond oil and sugar body scrub. It's a great combination with vitamins that make your skin healthier, smoother, and free of dead cells. Write down the ingredients: 1 glass of sugar, 1½ glass of sweet almond oil. Mix the ingredients in a bowl, then rub over the body with circular motions before showering. Rinse your body with warm water, then dry with a soft towel. Finish with a moisturizer specific to your skin type. The second body scrub uses sugar and coconut oil, which in addition to cleaning the skin is an excellent moisturizer since coconut oil moisturizes and keeps the skin soft for longer. Write down the ingredients: 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 glass of sugar. Slightly warm the coconut oil in the microwave, then combine with the sugar. Before showering, rub the body scrub over your body with circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse your body. The next step after both exfoliants is to remove them with warm water and dry the skin with a soft towel without rubbing too hard. After using a homemade body scrub, your skin will get a beautiful, healthy aspect. Try it and share your experience with us.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.